Alright, we got our bolts. PerformanceAdapters.com. I like the box. The packaging is real nice. This is some heavy duty tape. That box that the adapter plate came in for this motor. These are supposed to be the 2-inch long bolts that fit. They got like the cone head on them. We'll see what they got. We'll bring out the knife that many people get to see. I need that little clip for this one. It's a snap-on. Razor blade sharp. I like that old knife. I don't know if we just cut the box open. It's real time now. That's what they sent out, and that's exactly what we needed. Let's just put one in real quick, make a little quick short video. Should have needed them 2 inches. I said just give me 2 inches. I'm going to use the washers that they gave me too. Look at that. That is beautiful. That's plenty long enough. Yep, plenty. It gives me extra, but I want at least three threads. That's the standard. Whenever you put a bolt in something, it's got to have at least 3 threads sticking out, so you can do what, make sure it's completely into the nut. So that'll work. That's plenty. I like that. I like that extra room. I mean, if it's for me, it's not gonna hurt nobody else's feelings. Some people be like, oh. You know how it is. But I really appreciate Performance Adapters taking care of me on that. They match what I got. Their boxing, that's a high quality box. The tape they use is very high quality. I appreciated working with these guys. They did me a real solid. This is part of making it fit. It's never going to be perfect the first time. And, I didn't care to wait a few more extra days. We're still trying to make a motor bracket and all that. So, appreciate you guys.